Sad day, because it doesn't get rained on too often. So, but it's going to be out here for a little bit in this wonderful Washington weather. It gets nature's water on it for a little while. Here we are. Audi SQ5. Pretty nice car, actually, and totally digging it. Fun car, real fun car. Oh, it's locked. Let's go get the key. I think I set the key over here. Yep, there it is. Okay. Here we go. Alcantara gray and black leather. So super fun car. Sure digging it. But guess what? As with any Audi of this age, unless it's not been driven, it's going to require suspension parts. So here's what we've got coming up. Lower front control arms, lower control arms, sway bar end links, upper control arms for the front, more upper control arms for the front, inner tie rods, complete hardware kit for everything up front and in the, everything up front. That's for everything up front. Outer tie rods, ball joints, upper strut mounts, tie rod boots, rear control arms, rear Bilstein Sport shocks, front Bilstein Sport struts, and a set of H&R lowering springs. That is the next project for this car. There's my pump for my quick jacks. I just got to bring them over here and get it up in the air and I can start working. Also with that, haven't decided on new wheels or what. I want to put some BBS CHRs on it, but we'll see. We'll see what I do. But you can see the terrible etching. See all these streaks in there? That's from detailing acid. And these wheels are just trashed because of it. So bad. I mean, it wouldn't be bad. I mean, the curb shot here, there, not a big deal, but man, that is something else. The detailing acid just did a number to this. So, possible custom powder coat job in store there, but we are going to do this SQ5 project. Funny thing is, I'll zoom out here, see out here, my Jeep Gladiator. That's 21 with less than 20,000 miles on it. I'd like to kind of keep the mileage off of it and the wear and tear, just use it for adventures and stuff like that, not commuting and getting around. But so I bought this, and yeah, the wife would absolutely, she loves this thing. So she calls it her little rocket ship. So, and it is. So we're gonna make it look cool now, refresh everything. So stay tuned. I will be following up with more as I progress and do this. So thanks for stopping by, listening to me talk, and hopefully you've enjoyed what little bit I just shared. Thank you.